Imagine someone telling you, quit smoking, and in 30 years, you'll be a millionaire. Sounds like a joke, right? But it's pure math. Most people think becoming a millionaire is for geniuses, lucky lottery winners, or heirs. But the truth is, the path to a million lies in boring daily habits. And today, I'm going to prove it to you with a simple example. I'm James, and on this channel, we break down complex financial topics in plain English. Over the next 15 minutes, you'll see how just $5 a day can turn into a fortune. We'll follow the journey from a habit to an investment portfolio. You'll learn. Let's take the most common bad habit, smoking. A pack of cigarettes costs on average $5 to $10. Let's say you smoke a pack a day. That's $5 that vanish into smoke. Seems like pocket change, right? But let's dig deeper. Today, the smoker bought a pack in the morning, another pack in the afternoon, beer with friends at night. End of day, minus $10 on cigarettes, minus another $20 at the bar. And what's the person who decided to save doing? He also wants coffee, also wants beer, but he decides, today I won't buy cigarettes. I'll transfer $5 into my investment app. Just $5, unnoticeable, but it's a start. The problem is, our brains don't see small expenses as a threat. $5 today, $5 tomorrow. Seems trivial, but behind those $5 lies a massive force that most people ignore.
That force is called compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's simple. You invest money, it earns returns. Those returns are added to your principal and also earn returns. Over time, the snowball picks up speed. Suppose you decide to save $5 a day, the price of a pack, and invest it in an index fund that averages 8% annual return. That's $150 a month, $1,800 a year. Sounds modest. But let's add time. 5 years pass. The smoker has spent about 5 years times 365 days times $5 equals $9,125 on cigarettes. Money just went up in smoke. And you? You invested the same $1,800 a year. But thanks to compound interest, your capital is not $9,000, but around $11,000. A small difference, but the process has begun. 10 years pass. The smoker has spent $18,250. He might have a cough, shortness of breath, yellow fingers. Your investment account shows about $27,000. You're already ahead by almost 10 grand, and your money is working for you. 20 years. The smoker has spent $36,500. His health is at risk. Lung cancer risk has increased 10 times. Your account now holds around $89,000. You're approaching 6 figures, and every year your capital grows faster.
And now, 30 years have passed. The smoker has burned through $54,750. Plus, he spent thousands on medical bills, maybe even lost years of his life. And you, saving just $5 a day, have in your account almost $250,000. But wait, we calculated without accounting for higher returns. If you invested in stocks, S&P 500 with an average 10% return instead of 8%, your capital would exceed $330,000. And if you could save $10 a day instead of 5, then you're a millionaire. $1 million simply by quitting a pack of cigarettes. Let's summarize. The smoker, minus $55,000, ruined health, high cancer risk. The investor, plus $250,000 to over $1 million, excellent health and financial freedom. Enough theory. How do you actually do this? Step 1, automation. Open a brokerage account, like Robinhood or Fidelity. Set up an automatic transfer of $5 a day or $150 a month into your investment account. Make the money disappear before you even see it. Step 2, choose what to buy. For beginners, the simplest option is an index fund, ETF, that tracks the whole market, like SPY or VOO. These follow the S&P 500, the 500 biggest companies in America. Instant diversification. Your eggs are in 500 different baskets. Step 3. Don't touch it. Don't panic when the market drops. Crashes will happen. In 2008, in 2020, again in the future. But if you stay calm and keep investing, the market always recovers and reaches new highs. Time is your friend. By the way, this works with more than just cigarettes. That $6 latte every workday, that's $120 a month. Over 30 years, invested at 8%, it becomes almost $200,000. Upgrading your car every 3 years, that's millions in missed opportunity. Just do the math on your own habits. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to pick winning stocks. You just need consistency. A small daily habit, automated, left alone for decades. That's the real secret. That's how ordinary people become millionaires.
So, let's quickly recap what really matters. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Those tiny, seemingly insignificant expenses, they're killing your future. But the same small amounts, when put to work through compound interest, can work miracles. Here's the most important advice I can give you. Start today. Not Monday, not New Year, not when you have an extra $1,000. Start with $10 today, just to get that snowball rolling. Time is the only resource you can't buy, and you have exactly as much of it as Warren Buffett. Use it wisely. If you've made it this far, you're serious. So drop a comment. What's one small habit you're willing to give up for your future million? Subscribe so you don't miss the next video. We'll talk about choosing a broker and what you should never cut costs on. I'm James. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.